welcome to the Shelley Studio and another Acrylic April video. I am moving on to trees. So Bob Burge, as you know, I've been following. He has a couple of different ways of doing some fun trees, and this is one of his styles. This is, I don't know what he calls it. Make a mess and then find the tree in the mess. That works for me. So I have a follower who's been giving my paintings titles, and I was trying to think of a clever title for this one, and all I could think of is country song, we'll meet in the middle under that. Anyways, I think it's a pine tree. Doesn't work for this one. This is more like an oak tree. Her name's Sherry. Give her a shout out. Hey, keep coming up with those titles because they're awesome. Anyway, if you guys can think of a good title for this particular painting, I'd appreciate it. So at this point, I thought I was done. This happens the next day because I wasn't really happy with it, and I think this makes all the difference. Yep, I'm doing carrot people. I was trying to make a boy and a girl. Does it look like a boy and a girl? Maybe. Anyways, I hope you're enjoying these videos. I hope you liked this one. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please share it with your friends. And if you'd like to see more from me and you're not already a subscriber, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.